Hey guys, hope you guys are enjoying your Martin Luther King holiday. And today I thought I would share with you guys my little saga that's been going on for the last couple days. Today is Monday. Friday, the alternator light came on when I went to leave for school in the morning. I said, okay, bad alternator. Came home, checked it out, no output. Alrighty. Everything looked okay. Pulled the alternator off, tried to take it apart. You can't take these newfangled alternators apart. Everything's welded together. So I said, okay, bit the bullet. Went bought a reman alternator from AutoZone. Installed it, and everything was good. Got 14.5 volts. Everything looked great. Drove the car down the road, and everything worked as it should. Went to fire the car up Sunday morning. Battery light was on again, and no charge coming from the alternator. So today I played with it some more. I've got good battery voltage on that terminal. I've got my ignition on there. Obviously the light's working. I did notice when I revved it up to 2500 RPM, the battery light would go off, but I was able to verify with my voltmeter that it still was not putting out charge, even though the battery light was turning off. I was getting nothing out of it. So, pulled the alternator back off, took it down to AutoZone. Turns out they do not have the proper wiring harness adapter to check the alternator. So we're waiting on alternator number 2. So that's my fun Monday, and it won't be here till 5:30. And of course it is cold today in Tennessee, hovering right around, I think the mid-30s. I know some of my northern friends that watch this probably think I'm a sissy, but for Tennessee, that's cold, especially when it's been like 60 to 70 degrees the last couple weeks. So, of course, this would happen on a day when everything is cold. And I don't think I'll be able to show you guys. I want to show you the belt tensioner on this son of a gun. You see that big 19 millimeter right there? Yeah, that's how you loosen the belt on this guy. This is one of the more harder belts to get on and off that I've done in a long while. It took me 10 minutes to change the alternator. It took me an hour to get the dang belt back on. So, not too thrilled about that. It's got some kind of weird hydraulic strut that tensions the belt. And, yeah, sucker's got some force on it. So it is difficult to get the belt on and off. If anybody goes to do that, be warned. Get you a 19 and a very, very long ratchet, so you got some good leverage. So, hope you guys are having a great Martin Luther King Day, and stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated with alternator number 2, and we'll see if that one works.